Our warehouse was a chaotic maze. Finding specific items was a daily struggle, leading to constant delays and inaccurate stock counts. We knew we couldn't continue like this. We needed a breakthrough solution to track our inventory accurately and efficiently. That's when our tech expert introduced us to the power of UHF RFID. No more single-item scanning. Imagine reading everything at once. The new UHF RFID Handheld Reader arrived. It was user-friendly and promised a new era of inventory management. Gone are the days of tedious box-by-box scanning. Now our team simply walks down an aisle, waving the reader to capture data from hundreds of items at once. Need to find a specific product? The handheld acts like a smart compass, guiding us directly to the exact item we're looking for, even if it's buried in a stack. The reader confirms an instant match. This eliminates human error and drastically speeds up our verification processes. All the scanned data is immediately uploaded to our warehouse management system, giving us a real-time, highly accurate overview of our entire stock. Our inventory problems are now a thing of the past. The warehouse operates with unprecedented efficiency, saving countless hours and preventing costly discrepancies. With our 100% inventory accuracy and streamlined processes, we're not just managing stock, we're building a more prosperous and efficient future for our business. For more details, visit www.greenfutures.com.